In this video, we'll be discovering a Dell EMC Network switch in the Dell EMC Nagios Core console. Before you begin, ensure that you have local administrative privileges on the system and the prerequisites installed for the Nagios Core installation. Refer to the installation guide for the list of prerequisites. Now to begin, navigate to the scripts folder. Here, we are discovering a Dell EMC Network switch using SNMP protocol. Run the Python discovery command with the network switch IP and SNMP parameters. Successful discovery will display 0 errors. Verify the Nagios configuration by running the command as shown. At this point, restart the Nagios service. Now, you can view the details of the discovered Dell EMC device in the Nagios Core console. To view the details of the device services you have discovered now, navigate to Home and then select Service Details or select Host Details to view the list of discovered devices. For more information about the Dell EMC OpenManage plugin for Nagios Core, visit dell.com/OpenManage manuals.